Hi everyone, it's Marco Gerdig, and today, using Miro, I'm going to show you guys my multiples and factors lesson, or factors and multiples. So I made use of the most tools in Miro that I could possibly choose from. I used a lot of these text boxes, as well as sticky notes and the lines to draw students' attention in, as well as a frame to make my lesson around. So as you can see, factors and multiples lesson, and here's everything. So let's get right into it. We start with a little intro picture, and then the line takes you down to begin, watch the attached video. And as you can see, I've changed the borders and the thickness of these borders around each thing just to make them pop a little bit more. So watch the attached video. This video is extremely short. It's about 5 minutes long and goes over the techniques required in order to find factors and multiples for any given number. So after watching the videos, the students will now move on to a matching game where they match each number with the correct set of multiples, and I've instructed them to move the sticky notes around so they can move each one. So 8 goes with this one goes here, here, and there. So they would just move the sticky notes around and get the correct corresponding multiples matched with the base number. After doing that, I have this squiggly line here. You can change the type of lines by doing this, going in here. I've also made the lines more thick so that students can see how the path is supposed to move. Now, list the factors of the following numbers. Type in the sticky notes, so I've given them 2 numbers here to choose from. So they go in. I can have them type right in here. So the factors are 22. You have 1, 2, 11, and 22. Same for 36. This one's a long one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and finally 36. So students could show their work just like that, exactly how I've instructed them to do so. I've also tried to keep the colors as consistent, especially with my base image that I found off of Google. I inserted that by embedding the iframe code right in here. And yeah, that's pretty much my factors and multiples lesson. Thank you guys.